All right, let's talk about how you can create a text box within Excel. So here in this cell, we have some text that we typed out, and we can see that it goes all the way across the screen, and we actually even need to scroll to see the end of it. So we want that to be in a text box that we can format or size how we'd like. What we can do is hit C or Control X to copy that text. We can go to Insert, go over to Text, and select Text Box. And then you can create a text box by clicking and dragging to the appropriate size here. And then I can paste that sentence into the text box. And then I can resize it, make it look how I want. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can create or insert a text box within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to smash the like button on your way out. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.